Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and set copy stop loss in eToro. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official eToro website if you have not already by going to eToro.com right here. From where this is going to be the main page you're greeted by. From here we have the join eToro option that's going to enable you to sign up for an account if you do not already have one. If you have one, just go ahead and log in using the login button right here, and now we can get started. So let's go and take a look at how to get started copying stop losses once we are copying a trader on eToro. Once you have logged in right here at the left side of the screen, you're going to see the menu that's going to enable you to open up the trading, investing, and from where you can get started copying traders. Here we have an article on the official eToro Help Center on what is a copy stop loss and how to set it. So basically guys, you can use this to protect your investments to automatically sell the copy investment if the value goes down. So what you can do is you can go ahead and adjust the copy stop loss to your preferred level of exposure while opening the copy or at any time after the copy is open. So every time you edit your CSL, once the copy is open, the new value will reflect as the percentage of your copy equity at the time of the edit and not the original allocated amount. So keep that in mind. So just go to your trade that you have copied from somebody else, and once you're starting or opening the trade, you're going to see the copy stop loss option as well that you can set your desired value, and that's how it's done. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care, and bye.